do they accept? They accept what? They accept
Foursquare.
Oh, Foursquare and Apple Pay. All right. It's 5 for kids, 3 for adults. Alright, so we're on the parking garage. We're going to Carrabba's. We're on 3C. I checked in already. In this garage, which I think is almost full. Icon Park. Icon Park. So we're going into this Carrabba's here in Orlando on International Drive. We checked in. Looks busy. Let's go around to the front. So I'm going in, I got my mask, and I'm going. Okay, so we haven't been in a Carrabba's for a year. So now we're going in. We're here in our International Drive in Orlando. So it looks like they have a short menu from what they used to have. And that's what we get. Go tell them. Wow, that's. You want to go on that ride? It's an awful big Ferris wheel.